I graduated medical school in 2007, and I went through the whole process of USMLE residency matching and selection. And then I sat on selection committees. I was a member in residency selection committee. So we went through this process. It is very challenging and it takes a lot of patience. And a well-informed person is more likely to match than someone who just goes into the residency process without a lot of information of what is happening and what should I do next. So first and foremost, I tell my fellows, my medical students and my students that USMLE scores are absolutely important. They're absolutely important. You have to make an attempt to pass in the first go and get good scores. It is really non-negotiable. So first and foremost, prepare more for the USMLE.